on you.
1910, 1904. What are you?
1910.
That's Bakery Express.
Bakery. It's Bakery Express.
It's Bakery Express, T.
Wrong building. Sorry.
1928. Oh, seeing as there's a E30s.
You can do it. You can.
69 over there. Nope. 34.
Not even a thing, bro.
Oh, Extreme Dimensions right there. ED
Lobby around corner. Good job, team.
High five myself.
Picking my wide body up for my Supra. Just kidding. Picking the wide body up for my RX-7. Maybe. Maybe.
Picking up the wide body for the RX-7. Just kidding, we're cutting it up. Look,
are we gonna get that for filming? Maybe.
Imagine this car with a wide body. It's just a good car and a shirt. December 1st. This goes live. Say it again, but what?
You're blowing it.
But I'm pretty sure that's exactly what they think. So.
Cal, go poop. You gotta be used to the coffee life.
Dude, I can't.
You're sitting.
What are you watching there, dude? That's kind of weird, dude. I didn't. Oh, whoa. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. It is a rear bumper. New body kit, yeah. Yeah, baby. Ooh, get that in there, Keith. Ooh.
Checking out the molds. Just checking out. Oh.
Here you go, Teej. Just toss her in
Look
there.
at these S2000 front fenders. Oh, the new. Do you have any other cars? The new 350 side skirts.
Don't hurt the new
I
bird.
100% could, but I won't. If you see it, flying out the back, see ya.
What do you mean, see ya?
See ya.
What does that mean?
We can close the lid.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, we're booting. So which car is this for? Oh, wait.
Oh,
got it.
Oh, hey, look at all these pieces. I wonder what car it's for. You want to tell them now, Teej, or are we going to just hold it up? We're going to reveal it?
The car that it's going on is a car that's been neglected, and we know that, and it's a really popular car, and a lot of you guys probably have it, which is why we kind of want to dive into it and really give it like a new refreshment. It needs a little love, Cal.
So, the S2000?
Or no, I think it's gonna be maybe the Honda. Just kidding, 240, baby.
I typed in side skirts, bumpers, and fenders. I clicked the links and said, send it! I want to point out that right now we're having a sale for Black Friday. So if any of you guys are looking for new car parts, we're offering up to 10 to 40% off for Black Friday. So if you're interested in doing anything, be sure to get it from us. Links will be down below. Almost every brand on the site is going to have discounts for Black Friday. So don't sleep on it. Get your deals now. Nice. All right, nice. So we haven't looked at any of this yet. Hopefully there's not too much body work that we need to do. Don't laugh at that. Yeah, it's an Adam LZ.
Got some LZ spec, bro.
I love LZ's like kit, so I was like, oh, that looks cool. So I tried to find something similar. Damn. We could.
Damn, you're going hot boy.
Whoa! Ah! Get. Boy!
Is that kind of cool?
Yeah, no,
Dude, it's gonna be sitting on the ground.
Fucking sick, dude. I'm about to lose my bumper. That's it. You don't even have to mock it up. It sits on the floor. We're here. We're out here. I am super excited. Wide body everything, baby.
Oh, it's a whole replacement.
It's a whole fender.
Dude, it's too hot. It's too hot, dude. It's way too hot in here. This is gonna look one of those Need for Speed cars, dude.
One of the first things I look for is the quality and the product, and we're definitely gonna have to do some sanding, but just like the Victory Function fenders we did like 2 years ago at Calvin's house, we're gonna need to drill the holes for all the hardware and stuff like that, which is easy and is pretty common with a lot of stuff, but we're not gonna know how good everything fits until we actually mock it up on the car. But initially, this looks dope. I'm excited for you, Cal.
Ooh, this
Is that the
can
right
require
size?
a look,
right? Is that the right size?
Oh,
It's for a coupe. Rip.
It's for a coupe?
yeah, these are the wrong
No,
rears.
it shouldn't have been. No.
It's for a coupe.
Rear fenders are the wrong one. We have to get the right one. But it's pretty
But-
close. It's just the rear frame is over
We
there.
got it. We got most of the things.
Cal, how do you order the wrong one?
I don't know, man. I was just looking.
You want it? You want a knife clip?
Yeah, it's just a good night.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You good, Teej?
Calvin, was there a coupe checkbox? Did you check mark that?
No.
On the checkout?
Yeah, I'm gonna say, how do you screw that up, bud?
I can't believe you guys are mean to me.
How do you screw that up? That looks ridiculous. Dude, you know how low this shit's gonna be?
It's gonna be terrible.
I find it awesome that you guys are experiencing this today in 2018 when I experienced this in like 2003. That's a big gap, 15 years. This is the kit that guys were running 15 years ago.
It's a cool looking kid.
I agree, but I just think it's neat that I get to experience you guys getting so excited about it. That's awesome.
He's my dad. It's my dad.
Oh shit! See? What the? Oh my god!
Yeah, it's gonna be you have two little pipies coming out of there. That's gonna be a tight fit. Hey, and now this actually kind of matches.
Thanks, Teej.
All right, so Cal, the real question is, how long is this kit gonna take you? Is this gonna be like your BRZ?
I'm gonna aim to not have it be like my BRZ.
What does that even mean?
I'm just gonna put it on and then sand it while it's on the kit. I'm not gonna fill anything. I'm just gonna put it on.
We always make promises we cannot keep, but just to add another promise we can't keep, I think a week.
A week?
A week.
A week.
Daniel, Premium, I'm gonna be calling you tomorrow,
A week?
and we're gonna be scheduling in a week from now when we're coming in to get this car wrapped.
Okay. I could.
But set a timeline.
I will. We'll try.
A week.
A week.
As long as we get those rear over fenders, those ones are incorrect.
Okay. We'll try.
A week,
A week.
maybe.
What was that?
What the hell was that? That scared the shit out of me.
You ran over your kid.
It sounded like a whole bunch of shit cracking. I know I didn't run over my kid because all of the pieces are on the.
Don't move. Stay right here for a sec. This is what Cal just did.
That scared the hell out of me, dude. I thought I broke something.
I thought you ran over your kid, and so did TJ and everyone else.
Oh god. I was like, I could miss it. Nah.
Oh my God. Oh wow, that's really heavy. Why is that so heavy?
I don't know.
Dude, take off this chin piece, brother. What is that?
I don't know, dude.
It's like a mouth guard. That just screams 240.
Yeah, that's right. Don't worry about the 240 mods. We need to salvage this stuff. These pieces right here are like brackets to keep the bumper in. These pieces. So we're gonna salvage this, Teej, and put it on there. Oh god.
Question mark.
It's okay. That's good. What do we want to center the car around?
I think that we should do the front fenders because the fenders will fit more permanently. Does that make sense?
Yes. Like when it comes to fiberglass and like body kits, temperature, like environment plays a huge part in the fiberglass itself. So when you go to put it on a car, it's guaranteed to not be there all the way. So at the moment, TJ and I are walking through the steps in our head, where to go first. So the idea is this door is permanent, right? This is where our starting point is. We're aiming for this gap to look good and then make the kit that way, if that makes sense, right? So we need an anchor point, or else you're gonna be chasing random geometry and that you'll get confused and frustrated. So we're just going through the process of thinking where to go, just like PEMDAS education.
I feel like the parts that we got for this S13 are a lot of parts of where a lot of people get stuff for their car and for their kits as well. And this is like every piece is kind of matched from different style body kits and whatnot. And I think it's really gonna test our level of like craftsmanship of what we can put together. Because in the past, like the Rock Bunny kits all come together as like it all like fits and the quality is really high. And then we did the victory function, and we've done some stuff like that in the past. But this is like, I think as gnarly as it gets as like doing DIY kind of body work. So I'm really curious to see in like this week span of how well we can turn this car around and then send it into a get wrapped and make this car literally do a full 180 of the way it looks. I'm really looking forward to it.
Nice meme, 180 SX. Terrible meme.
That's a good meme. I didn't even mean to make that meme actually. That's actually just a good meme. I didn't even think about that.
180 SX. Oof, oof. Oh, look at that. If I rotate it.
If you rotate it, it fits much more flush. I'm gonna FaceTime Daniel from Premium.
Why?
Show him the new project. I want to finalize. I'm getting excited, but I want to finalize this.
Okay.
Oh, hey! What up, bro?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Oh, you're filming and then you just pop on my FaceTime screen? What are you doing?
Sorry. We're tackling a new project right now, and you know how Calvin's BRZ took him like what, a year and a half, something like that.
Yep.
We just got a full body kit for his S13, front bumper, rear over fenders, front fenders, and side skirts. And we're starting it tonight, right now. And we were like, Cal, like we kind of want to like get this one quick. I was like, we should try to see if we can get the body work done in like a week. And then we can go spend some time with Premium. And when they have time, we could try and do a week and a half project bust out on this S13.
Because you know how I communicate with you. It's whatever you want to do, I'm in. I have to get through Black Friday, that's all. So I know you got, what, a couple days with the car still?
Oh, we like starting it right now. So like we could do like, even if we do 7 days from now, that's still 3 days after Black Friday.
That's fine, you're good. Get the body work done and you guys bring it over. But I'm putting you to work this time.
Use me, baby. I'm all here.
You said use me, baby. We'll make it happen, dude.
All right. Sounds good. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit then with some progress.
All right, brother. Good to see your pretty little face.
All right, talk to you in a bit.
Later, bro.
We have a week's worth of work, and then we're going off to Premium. Yo, this is a good, I'm in a good spot right here.
Yeah, so am I.
This is a good time to plug. Hey, we might know, how does it go?
You might think we know what we're doing.
You might think we know what we're doing,
but we
don't know what we're doing.
So
good luck, have fun. Let us make the mistake for you.
Risking it. Are you through yet? Oh. 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 Oh.
Ah! Oh. That was really scary. I thought I broke it in half for a second. I was like, oh no!
Hey, oh, what the?
Sorry. All right, here we go. Wash it. Be perfect.
I'm afraid.
You need to get rid of this.
Oh.
So take your screws out, push it back further,
that
and
means
re-drill.
that-
Never line up. They just fucking cut this off and make a little L bracket and mount to the inner fender, and then a rivet here and a rivet here.
Oh.
I don't think you should cut it.
I think you should.
I don't think.
We actually kind of like sat down and brainstormed a little bit. So after we finished cutting off this bottom part of the fender, there's a mounting hole like right on the inside of here, on the inside of the door jamb. And once we found out where we wanted this front fender to kind of sit, me and Calvin marked that and finished it up. So the next portion that we thought we should do is getting the 3 holes on the top of the fender, in like on the underside of the hood. And I kind of came up with this cool idea to help us mark the holes. I just simply just got a piece of tape and got a ruler and made a straight line off it, and then put the tape adjacent to the hole. So that way when we put the, is that word, adjacent?
That's a good word.
Yeah, and so that way when we put the fender down, we may not know the depth of where the hole is, but we have a pretty good understanding where that is. At least we know how center we need to mark our holes. So at this point, we're kind of just manipulating where the fender's gonna sit to our best understanding. And we're making sure that the line off the headlight and the fender matches.
Allow me to explain this. Okay, so my goal is to make this distance between the headlight and this point good. And then anything that looks like it's out of whack towards the front, you just sand it away and it'll look perfect. So that this gap is important here. So we're gonna drill these holes, mount up the top of this fender, and then this can be fixed. So don't worry about that. And then we're not gonna mount this part, it mounts here, but we're not gonna mount this part until the front bumper is getting its love.
So this kind of gives me a general idea of where the hole is sitting. So if I just follow both these lines, and where they meet is where the hole will sit. So we're gonna start with a small hole right about here. And we'll drill it through, and then we can like counter adjust. Yeah, so I'm gonna start, it's kind of ugly, I'll start like right here, and then that will give us a pretty good idea where it is, and then we can widen it whatever side we need to.
Okay.
That trick won't work for the middle one though.
It can. So put it at a 45, and then you follow the line.
That's actually a smart idea. Tool? Yeah. That method worked out pretty well. Like, I think just a slight little modification when we got the holes to line up. So before we go any farther, like before we do this bracket right here, and we need to do another bracket right where we cut out the front fender, we're gonna mock up the front bumper first, because the front bumper kind of marries the fender, and we kind of want to do that at the same time. So we're probably gonna stop here tonight, because it's a pretty good start. We're kind of just like figuring out the best way to go about it, and once we do one side, it's gonna make the next side that much easier because we already kind of know the floor plan. But four holes in, and so far looking pretty good. Because this is Calvin's baby, and we're doing his build right now. Calvin, you gotta outro it.
That's all we got for you today. I am so happy that we're starting to work on this car again. There's a few problems, but I think TJ and I have this in the bag. Until next time, I hope tomorrow we get to do it again. We're gonna get the front bumper on as soon as possible. I'm not gonna do the peace out thing, but peace.